Today discussion topic is should government control the TV news media? Okay. So today we are going to debate our discussion on this topic. Firstly, I want to speak only 1 minute on this topic. Why I have chosen this topic? I have chosen this topic only due to SSR case, Sushant Singh Rajput case. No, what happened? Nowadays we know every media is biased. Why I am saying biased? Because some media channel is influenced by ruling government and some media channel is influenced by opposition party. Because when you are going to consider no nowadays no media channel is speaking in against of government. Because why? Currently India is facing many problem. One is corona, second is India China border. But you can see on the TV channel no TV media is talking about these some issues. Also we have economic fall down issue, unemployment issue, but no one is talking. Only they are talking about Kangana Rawat, and second is Sushant Singh Rajput case. Okay, and no one is talking against government. If any news channel is talking against the government, so people just try to mention that is traitor and they are just not doing great work. Why I am saying yes, definitely there should be control of government on the TV news channel also. Because I am taking another example. You know what happened today in newspaper? Just I was reading, Supreme Court has just mentioned the government is so helpless that they cannot control the news media. Why? Because uh, parallel investigation is going on. CBI is also investigating a case of Sushant Singh Rajput, and we have one news channel, Republic Media. They are already investigating in different mode. Because daily they produce a evidence that this is happening. Please take means they are doing parallel investigation. So this is not good for police. Because you know what happened. Sometimes people do not go to write FIR in police station. They just uh, uh, go to the news media and try to investigate. So this is not going good. That's why Supreme Court has mentioned that government should control such news media. They are doing parallel investigation. So this is not good for India. That's why I put this topic to discuss. So this is my point. Yes, there should be some control. So Amit bhai, Devi bhai, now what is your view?
Yeah, actually, see, as far as the media is concerned, it is the fourth pillar of now we are considering it is the fourth pillar of our constitution or India, right? Because we consider High Court, then the majority, and who is on the opposition. So these are the three pillars. As per the India is concerned, now the media we are saying that it is the fourth pillar. Okay, and yeah, you already mentioned that there are the two cases, right? See, the now when the corona has started, okay, this pandemic has been started, so that time the media has everywhere we could see only the corona related the news. Okay, we haven't seen apart from the any news. And because of this the news, it's not the only one particular channel. Every channel was showing that, and because of this we got scared a lot. Every people we were not able to see. I know that because it is the infectious disease. Okay, if you touch someone, then it will be a caught to you. Okay, but but the way they were spreading this news like that, and after that this SSR case came. Okay, and now so even I remember that one of my manager, he told me that now in media got the another view or another point to highlight it, and now they totally highlighted on this the SSR case, right? So there are the so many cases, as you told that the GDP is going down. Okay, there are the unemployment, and so many things are which can be the covered, but they are not. They will they are not going to cover it. I think is it depends upon now. Suppose for example it is the Aztak, so now the Aztak will support the particular the political party. If it is the NDTV will support the any the other political party. So they will not. talk against their the party, right? Ultimately, why, how they are getting the money? Because of this, they are, because of this political parties, they are providing a money, and then they are throwing such a news. Okay, if I am supporting to the particular party, now take an example. Now it is said that the Republican Bharat, so who runs this, or who this television, right? This television support to the BJP. Okay, and they will not talk against the single thing. They will not talk single thing against the BJP. But whereas you take an NDTV, now NDTV always the shouted means always say something about the BJP. So there is the two, there are the two different versions of this, the media you can see, and it's a face of a media. But as we are saying that we need to control it. Yeah, up to certain limit we should control it. But now we'll see the another face of this media. Sometimes it's very difficult, if I am a
Amit,
common man,
Amit, Amit
and
bhai, Amit bhai, just
uh,
actually I am talking in concern of investigating a case. Actually, why I have taken example of Sushant Singh Rajput case, because
hmm,
CBI is also investigating, and
hmm,
one media channel is parallel investigating. So I think that is not good sign, because your main responsibility to tell
no,
truth to everyone. You are not any responsibility
uh,
to investigate that case. What you are doing, you are
no, see,
putting some evidence, this is evidence, this is evidence, because CBI is already
hmm.
doing. That's why I am saying.
Yes, yes. But sometimes, see, now the way media is showing that the evidence, okay, in the case of the Sushant Singh murder, so it's going to help also, na. See, now suppose, now see, if they, for a while, just consider if there is no media, so how
No,
then
Amit,
the
but if media is going to show the evidence, then what is role of police and CBI? Because CBI is also doing there, and I don't think CBI is going
but
to believe what media channel is showing, because they have to find truth. Because media channel
okay,
can show anything. This is he has signed the thumb. We don't know what is meaning up to giving the indication of thumb. Media is saying he is saying something, but CBI is saying something. Then how you can find it? Okay, continue.
the, yes, yes, see, it is up to that media, right, what they have to highlight. It is all what sometimes, what I feel, that it is like a WWE fight. Okay, what they want to expose, only they will expose it, right? If someone gets the money, then they are not going to expose this. So this is the real face of any media. I'm not talking about the NDTV, I'm not talking about the Aztec, or I'm not talking, it depends upon the person to person. But sometimes, whereas we have seen such a cases that because of media, they have highlighted it, they came into the picture. Because suppose if I am a common man, right, and something happen with me, so I don't, and the police not able to register my FR. In that case, if I'll go to the media, and if I tell that my particular story, what happened with me, and if they highlighted it, okay, so it can be a, the reason to investigate something, right? So it will be some pressure to the government also. Take an example of a Nirbhaya, right? Nirbhaya case, because of media, and we public also the support it. But there was the role of media also. So they kept that case on the means on the high level or something. And because of this, but even though it took a lot of time, so ultimately, yeah, there should be a limit. They should not spread any the fake news, and they should not support particular political party, particular person, or a particular thing. Okay, whatever the truth, okay, they should go there, they should highlight it. I'm totally I'm totally with such a news now. That
Okay,
should.
Devi bhai.
Uh, so hi all. Today's one of the topic is hot topic. Should the government regulation news media? So I am completely against this. Why should the government should regulate the TV media? If they regulate, then definitely government will put influence on news channel and publish all the positive news about the news channel. And what happens? See, we have a choice. If you don't want, if you don't like Republic TV, don't watch that. Watch something else. So we have plenty of options here. If we don't have options and if we have monopoly market, then it is correct. It is showing only one thing. But in market, we have plenty of news channels. So why we should put only on like NDTV and Republic? We have other news channels, also Lok Sabha TV, Rajya Sabha TV. You watch that, the DD News, that is give proper news. That is not like this and all. They will keep their hand properly and they will read the news for 30 minutes. All FM, that also you go for it. So it is if you take control, then it is again it is problem for government itself, for our public only. See what happened in Tehelka case. Tehelka case, because of journalist sting operation only, it came into picture. So most of the cases are came out because of the media. They will do the sting operations. So see what happened in Sushant case. Because of the Republic media only, it came to the highlight. The media, because of the media trails only, we understood that something is gone in that Sushant Singh case. Otherwise, we don't know. The Mumbai police keep investigating for 64 days until unless the CBI has now only started investigating. So Ria is arrested. But what happened that 64 days when Mumbai was investigating? So we can see the clearly. Let media will do whatever they want, but only thing is they should not spread any violence, or because of the media in public life, they should not harm any individual life, or they should not publish any fake news. So because of that, you need see one example, Zakir Naik. Why his channel is banned? Because of him, all the terrorists, because of all terrorists are influenced by that jihadis. That's why Zakir Naik's channel is banned. So like that, the government having rights to ban the news channel with the respect to the depend upon the cases when they are published against that and all. But controlling media is not correct. That is what my point is.
Okay, so Shekhar Bhai, and we have 1117A. Actually, I have no idea what is name of that person. So 1117, if you want to speak, so you can speak. Okay, Shekhar Bhai.
Hi everyone. So today's topic is whether government should control our news media or not. So look, what is news? What is the reason behind the news media, and what is the purpose of this news channel? In democracy, we call them that. Is my voice audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So in democracy, we used to call him that as the fourth pillar of democracy. Why? Because we think that they are independent. They show the correct, accurate, and right picture of the happenings of the situation, so that if they would be an independent, they can be the voice of the unheard. They can be the voice of the last people of the row, last person in the society, in the country. So that's why it is imagined that if and only if media is independent, it can save our democracy. It is not just a functionary of democracy. It is also a safeguard measure for our democracy, so that our democracy can live, can survive, and can grow. Like we can take the different examples where media hypes are because of the media pressures. Of the media pressure, some news came, some story broke out at the national level, and investigation and other things like compensation to the poor, and different things happen due to media. And we also can take the example of one of the newspaper. I will not take the name, which is famous for its sting operations, which actually give the clear picture of some of our political leaders, of our bureaucrats and the people who are at the high post, and they are and who they are, and the people who are using the public money for their own purpose. Like if you take the example of 2G case, it's a report of the CAG that is hyped by that is correctly raised by the media. I will not use the term hype because sometimes it is not good. So it is correctly raised by the media, so that we all were able to aware that what's the corruption is going on, and the level of the corruption in 2G scheme, and the Commonwealth game that has happened. We are able to know only about the media. So its independence is much more required to not to not just to not just fulfilling a promise that our constitutional forefather has given by Article 19(1) that talks about the freedom of expression, and that actually media uses to propagate any of their ideas, that they have the freedom of expression.
So, Sekhar bhai, just I want to say one thing. You know,
Yeah.
I am totally agree. There should be independent, and also there should be a freedom of speech. But no, what happens? Sometimes media anchor behaving in a very wrong manner. That is not okay for everyone.
Yeah.
No, someone once I was seeing a debate on the channel. Someone is abusing. Taking. I think very abusive words. That is not good.
Alcohol.
Yes, and someone is called Uddha tu idhara. That is not okay. Yes, if you are anchor, your channel is famous. It doesn't mean you are going to abuse anyone, because he is representing.
Yes, 100%. Actually,
right to say like this. And also you can take example of any anchor who are behaving like, suppose just I'm taking example.
No.
Amish Devgan, if someone is a Muslim attending that debate, he behave as like they are not person. So I think this is not good. Government should interfere in this matter also. Please, there should be a condition, at least there should be a limit. You have to talk in this particular limit. And someone is abusing on national television and people are watching, so that is not going to work, because I have seen many cases. Someone is saying you are Dalal, so this is not okay. I think for
yes, it's not okay, but Dalal is, according to me, Dalal is still a good term that the media is using, but they are gone much more worse than that. So Dalal is still within a boundary limit. So I was going to focus on that, and on that issue that you said, that what has happened, that actually the media is totally it's at the situation where it is totally divisive, and that is you are the people are aware that which media house is going to propagate the idea in which manner of the which political party or of the which persons. We totally almost know, almost all the public will knows about it. And what has happened, that and it's not the case that if I can recall from some of the old videos of the media houses. At that time, when I analyzed, I saw that the voice tone is good. The words are also within the parliamentary. The words are also the parliamentary words. But when I analyzed, I saw that I saw that they are hiding the one side of the story, just propagating one side of the story. And I can take the example without any fear or other thing, that I was totally aware about what happened in the Gujarat riots, but I was not aware what has happened before that. So for that I have to search in the Google, and then I was then I was aware to got to know about what has happened with that. Same is the case with what has happened in Kashmir. when I started to the what has happened in Kashmir is much bigger, much bigger than what has happened in Gujarat. But I got to know about the Kashmir only when I started the practicing for government examination, so that I actually I have to go for the history. So when I was reading the book, then I got to know. So it says that you are portraying one side of movie very clear, very nice, very clean, and the other side of the story is in a very hunky dory like. And what has happened that it's my analysis. Maybe I was wrong, or maybe I am wrong. What has happened that I totally now media is totally divided in the two groups. One side is putting in a stone on other, and the other is not. Other is also with the same with the same uh, vengeance,
Force.
with the same force, with the same vengeance, throwing the stone at other. It's totally the tit for tat game is going on. Um, so these are the case. So actually, we can say that if you want to know the real truth behind the what they are telling, you have to search by your own, and what and by own by through different media, which is really almost impossible for the common people. And I just want to raise one more point, that what I observing, that what has happened that in YouTube or different social media platform, different independent people can set their media channel, and one are supporting one party, targeting others, one are supporting one media house targeting other, and these leads to totally divisive media, totally divisive media news. So it's totally I really don't want to use that word, that it's not really good, and it's not you are not able to know about what is really happened. Like if you can take the example of JNU, one media house is claiming that their video, which is with what they are claiming, that their video is undoctored, and investigating agencies has accepted their videos, and when analyzed that, and they found that they are undoctored. That is whatever the slogan has wrote is right, but some other media house is always talking that 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 the video is doctored, that the video is manipulated. So look, when how we are able to know what is the real is the real situation. For that, you might have to go through the what is the verdict came, or what is the lectures, or what is the comments of the of the different courts. So only from that you might be able to know, which is very difficult for a common person. So just all.
Okay, Dhruv bhai, now this is you, because we have already spoken very much.
Yeah.
So now we can speak.
Okay. Firstly, I have few questions from Mr. Sekhar Bhai. I think the point that you made, I talked about internet media. The thing that you told that so many media is divisive, and they one media is putting something else, another media is supporting uh, other person or other party or another propaganda. I think
Yeah.
it is more true in the case of television media. Even we are in a good position if we talk about internet media. Just go on television media. There are more than 90% television media. They are supporting single one party. Which party in a ruling party? It's true. It's not about a BJP or Congress. If in next election, if there will be Congress, they will started to support Congress, and it happens. So I think uh, whether we say government government should have a control over television media or not, they still have. We can't deny the fact that they still have a control over the television media. They are not showing actually what we supposed to see or what is the reality. So I think in terms of uh, that's why we need nowadays, in especially in 21st century, we need to support independent media. That is only internet media. Just because they don't need TRP, either they can work on a donation or some, some ad things. I think that is even more good, better
Yes,
situation. I'm not telling 100% is right, but yeah, at least
no,
we
no.
have more
I
than
am just
50% right
no.
media
I'm
on
just saying
internet.
that I am just saying that what you are telling is correct, and like what I was saying that you by in internet media also you are totally aware that which channel is in internet media, like in YouTube, you are totally aware that which channel is going to show you what, which type of the which part of the story they will focus on more. You are totally aware that what that's the point I am saying, that in internet media too they are totally division. And I also think that I might be wrong, but I also think that some of the popular channel might also be paid through some of our political parties. I will not take any of the name, but I think that they
So
are
many,
paid
more
by
than 80%, more than
they are,
80%.
so it's also not
Yeah,
yeah, and what you are saying that it's not totally independent, but the form, sorry, but in formal languages still they are independent.
And
By
Yeah,
and
they are
internet
legally,
media, yeah,
they are
internet
legally
media, how can we
independent,
control? So how
but
can you
not
trust that? No,
indirectly.
internet media, how can you trust that that is they are showing correct one?
it's
You
very
have
it's very
you have so
difficult.
okay.
many perspectives on
No, no.
internet. You can find everything. You don't need to rely on
That's the
any
problem.
single thing.
Yeah, tell me, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. And everyone knows, whenever someone is speaking about any specific party and about any certain thing which are in a power, definitely that news is, I think, sometimes is more truth, just because no one has a dare to speak against any all those things. But when it comes about like GNU and all those things, few channels are out there, they will definitely try to deviate you from the actual matter and the actual region. And that are few channels that are not so famous channel and all those things. So I think we know which actual just take example of Dhruv Rathi. Actually it is not a actual media, but it is a part. I think the content that he provide, he actually try to aware us. Do you think he actually try to propagate anything or try to give you some uh, you know unuseful news? He actually put every single link and also the sources that he has collected the news. You can go and you can read. So I think that kind of, and also I think you have talked, and I think our some member have talked about the investigation, and also we have well known about Cobra Post. What is wrong about that? We know now that, and I don't think anything is fake or like that. So sometimes we can believe on that kind of media who is trying to show the real face of our society and the people who are out there. So we know about those media, but a person who just like our nowadays TV anchor is doing, so many TV anchors, so-called TV anchors who are just so educated according to them, and they are only sitting at their studio and they are talking so much. What they don't have actual the source and the data, but they are only one part they are trying to show you. And just because we don't have time, so definitely we are not going to search on internet. That's why we just blindly believe on everything. That's why I'm totally in a answer. I don't support any television media. Few of them, NDTV. I think Mr. Amit Bhai has told that NDTV is also supporting another part. But whatever I have seen, NDTV is trying to show you the truth. Whether it's condemn, it is
No,
criticizing an existing government or
No,
yeah.
NDTV is worse than Republic TV. At least you can believe Republic, but not NDTV.
Why?
see,
The
I
both
see,
want to ask a
owners,
question.
say ED already taken, the Pranay Rai, the owner of the NDTV, they can't fly for other country. Why?
Actually,
They
Because
can't
of the
fly
Devi
for.
ED
Bhai,
case.
Devi Bhai, that's the problem. If someone is telling truth, we are not able to listen to what is going.
No,
If
no,
someone is talking
see,
about economic condition of India, we are just saying they are
Yeah.
If someone is
Now, why
talking about
economic?
corona,
We should think also why economy is down.
only
See,
we are
because of
habitual to listen Sushant Singh Rajput's case, Karuna Ranaut case. If someone is talking about India and China issue, we are not ready to listen that. This is happening in India. And why we are blaming on NDTV? Because
no. So why you are forcing me to listen? Why you forcing me
I
to
am
listen?
not
Tell me.
forcing. Just follow the
Yeah,
newspaper. If you want to listen,
that is individual ability. Will they
just
listen or
try
will
to
they
follow
not?
paper. Any paper you're going
But
to
let
follow,
me
they are
give
going to give you good news.
let me give one
See, we have
example also.
conscience.
You
Yes.
no, let me give
Actually,
one
any
example.
anchor,
Amit bhai, we have
No,
a name.
so I told.
Actually, I don't name.
any anchor,
That person is
just
very
one
much
thing,
agree
See
with
why
any
I
anchor,
told, because Dhruv is categorically said about one channel.
yeah,
That's why I
exactly.
told
I
against
told
that.
Okay,
any
That's
anchor,
it.
just tell me,
okay,
That's
any
it.
anchor has to,
See,
Dhruv
any
bhai,
anchor has put the perspective like
Dhruv
Ravish
bhai,
Kumar, any anchor, just tell me.
Dhruv bhai,
Because
just
Look,
Dhruv bhai, just wait, because we have a member. Actually, I don't name, don't know name. That person is very
Okay.
much agree with your statement. So let speak. Okay, triple
let
one
him
seven.
speak.
You
Triple
can
one
speak.
seven eight.
Yes.
First of all, my name is Om. And, as Dhruv said, that internet media is good as compared to we see in television and other platforms. Yeah, if I say media is all corrupted, but if you want to see the real picture of what is happening, then we should follow some educational channel, or maybe some newspaper in which we get the valid information. Uh, I want to channel one. I want to uh, I want to say one channel name, that is Study IQ, which provides vivid information uh, as compared to other media outlets over there. So I think I know there is lot of channel who show rubbish thing, who basically doing for their TRP. But there are also few channels which gives us not perfect, but good information, which will help us. So this is what I want to say. Basically, we have to search for it. I know it's a big market. That's why I'm saying this thing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so
That's all.
so we have an example whether the government can the control media or not, because there was the one
Yeah.
day ban on the NDTV. I still
Yes.
remember that. So it means that the government can control the media. That I wanted to highlight over here.
Actually, I know, Amit, by
Yeah.
why they ban. If if
Uh,
someone
Yeah.
is showing real picture of India, just stop that because they are not doing good. And
No,
someone
no,
just
no, no,
praising
no, no,
comment.
No,
no.
yeah, I also won't agree. Yeah, no.
No,
Actually,
what I can,
Just tell me.
actually I
no,
can say what has
I
happened.
see.
No, look,
you know
See,
what is problem?
see. I don't.
Nowadays,
No, I don't.
except NDTV,
no.
media is talking about India. Everyone talking about Kangana Ranaut, Sushant Rajput. Only NDTV
Yeah.
is talking about what is real condition of economic India, what is condition of unemployment. But we are not agreed to watch that because sometimes you
And
feel
also examination part.
Why they are
Distance
talking?
examination
No,
anything.
part. There is
why
only one
they're
single
Anything.
channel.
They have also run
why they're
Dynamic
talking about economy now?
University series.
Because they're against the Sushant Singh case. That's why they're talking. They're talking against the
Not only
Sushant Singh.
now, not only now,
Eh,
they are talking like
We
they
know,
are
we
one,
know
talking
that
for so
data.
long time.
one,
No.
wait
It's
a
not.
minute,
They
wait
not.
a
They are not only
wait,
talking nowadays.
You know what I
They are
think?
talking
Wait
for
If
a
you
so
minute.
want
long
to see
time.
real news,
Wait a minute.
just watch NDTV because there is no any debate, there is no any good
Yeah,
discussion.
Wait a
exactly.
They
minute,
only
sir.
provide news. Maybe that news can be wrong
Wait a
sometimes,
minute,
but
sir.
what
Sir,
Ask is what
wait
is
a minute,
giving,
sir.
and ABP News what is giving, G News. There in 2000 chip there is a microchips you can find out from 200 meter. What is validity of that news? What is validity of this news?
See, questioning
Okay.
questioning
Okay,
the army
okay.
strike. That is news you're talking about. The
Wait,
NDTV did that.
Devi bhai,
Patankot attack.
wait for a while,
Yeah,
wait for a while, wait for a
Patankot.
while.
That's why they
Wait for
banned.
a while, Devi bhai.
I guess.
Look,
Yeah,
look
yeah.
what you said, Pradeep brother, that government is, if anyone, First of all, I am not against any of the media house, whether it is NDTV, GTV, or anything. Second thing that you said that if anyone is speaking against the government, just ban it. Look, government has given the it's not the government. Sorry, yes, government has given the notice for 1 day ban because of the what they shown in during the Pathankot strike. During that time, the government has said that they have
Yes,
shown
yes,
some
that was
Pradeep
wrong.
bhai,
strategical.
Yes,
see, you also
that
you
was
also
wrong.
not allow.
No,
Yeah,
that
you
was
No,
wrong.
not.
but wait a minute.
I
That's the
totally
Pradeep bhai,
reason.
accept that was wrong. But
yeah, yeah,
just take
yeah.
example of
I'm not saying, sir. I am not saying. I am not propagating, not supporting, not against any media house. I am not
No,
saying
you
that
support. No,
he,
see,
wait
supporting
a
is not a
minute.
crime, right?
Yes,
Is
I
that
am not
crime
supporting.
supporting?
I don't have to support
No,
because they are
no.
also not. They are also not very much correct. Because when I analyze their news and with the real picture, I saw that there was a deviation. From that point of time, I was started supporting to anyone. And what I am saying that I am not against any of the media house. What is you are saying that they are propagating different news of about employment, about examination. Yes, these are the problems, and any media house should have to focus on this. I just want to say that.
just Sekhar bhai, just I want to say that accept any TV who is focused on this. Someone is talking about Kangana Rawat, someone is Sushant Singh Rajput. They have no time to discuss about unemployment, India-China border, economic condition, examination. Who is talking? Except NDTV. And that is talking, that's why you are saying they are traitor. Because they are talking against India. Why they are
I
talking
did.
against India?
India
We
is
people,
India
we
economic is
educated
good.
people. We have
Wait,
No,
sir. Wait a minute, sir. Let me reply.
no,
Reply.
sir. Pradeep bhai, something. So some
Look, brother.
kickback is coming from NDTV.
I
Definitely.
am
Look,
big fan
look,
of Ravi
brother.
Kumar. You
No,
know,
no,
I am big fan of Ravi
Look,
Kumar.
brother. I am
I
telling you.
love to watch.
You can watch. Now I have to take the same of the name. You can watch 100 baat ki ek baat. They are not propagating from 9 to 10. They are not propagating any of the news. They are showing all of the news. You can
Yes.
also you can also watch uh, 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 India TV channel from 9 to 10. Only I am talking about the prime time, not the other stuffs. What other thing what they are mm, putting. Okay. So and you can also watch DD News and Rasava TV.
Best
These
news
are
is
also
DD
good
News.
news.
Okay. Best is DD News.
And I am not saying that they are what they are showing is against them is against the India or against the government. I'm just saying that I cannot actually to give the whole of the perspective what I analyze from that media channel what you are what about you saying. Like if you want to say, I can take the just one example. I'm not against any of his news. Like what was when Genu case has happened, they they blacked their screen and gave some good
Okay, okay.
good perspective.
Sekhar bhai, please join this again.
Yeah.
Because we have no time. Please join this again.
Okay.
Okay. Sure,
Shekhar
sure.
boy in blast today. Blasting.
Yes. That's why. Please join today again.
Yes, sure.
Looks like Shekhar boy is drunk. Topic.
Yes, at least 15 packs.
Motivation of studies.
So where we are, so I was giving the some of the example that look, I am not speaking against again and again that I am not against any of the media house, whether it is NDTV or Republic or G News or Barkha channel. I am not against anyone. But if you will say that I was telling that I was telling about the blackout instance that has happened by Mr. Ravi Kumar after JNU Kant, that people are abusing her and people are abusing him, and with this type of mindset we cannot grow together. Our culture can destroy, and there is lots of violence, which is for some point it's good, that what has they said that people are abusing him. That was that what to say is it correct. What they said that if we go through with this mindset, there is lots of violence and other things. But you will find him totally silent when when their supporter abuses others. I just want to say that when I will abuse you, I'm wrong. Yes, I'm wrong. But when you will abuse me, you are also wrong. But you are hiding that side of the picture. Okay, and it's one of the case. And when whatever when like if I'm when I am abusing you, it's really bad for bad for our society, bad for our culture. When but still when there is slogan that are raised in the JNU, it's much more harmful than the abusive languages, according to me. So for that you must also have blacked out your screen. First thing is that if you tell that NDTV is totally correct and no biasness, so I can so I can also prove wrong here that when Congress was in party, the first channel who was got to know about the which minister is getting which portfolio is was the NDTV. How they were able to know that, because without of their connection.
This is work of media. What happens sometimes also we get news.
Yeah, exactly.
I am not saying
how
I am not
We
saying
don't
that
need to care about that part. First of
I
all,
am say-
every
am
media
saying
is doing same. Every media
I am saying that media houses are that what, sir?
yeah,
Then how you said that
Every
NDTV is good?
actually
No.
currently we are talking about government should control the media channel or not. Now this debate is just diverted towards
Never.
Never.
No, never. No and
Never.
never. No and never,
towards
sir.
our
okay.
topic.
I
Please
want to
towards
answer.
our
No,
topic.
no. I want to answer just in one single sentence. We don't have to care that with whom they have a connection, okay? But at least they have guts to speak against that particular ruling party. Which guts no any media has? Just tell me about the media. And another thing, Mr. Devi Bhai has asked me.
Just give the example.
Mr. Ravish Kumar, there is only one anchor.
Mr. Ravish Kumar.
Ravish Kumar, yeah.
take
Even
that,
I'm not talking about the NDTV or as the camp. First of all,
no, sir.
First of all, in my eyes, media is nothing about the anchor, what is telling in front of you. If they are telling truth, if they are showing you the reality of the our society, then that channel is definitely good, irrespective of their owner, their
Yes.
like followers or anyone. That's why
Yes.
just see the anchor, go and see the anchor, and if you believe that they are telling truth, then it's good. Don't talk about their owner and whoever they are with whom they have connection. At least someone who is trying to give you the perspective or trying to give you that thing which is not other people is doing or another media is doing, which you must know. So I think this is the definition of the media.
Yes, what you said is truly correct. Sorry,
Even-
but there is a one anchor in one of the media house. Sorry, he was not so popular, but he might be on India. No, he is not in India TV. He is some another TV. He was also very good, and he was also.
I think you were talking
Actually, I was
about
not able to.
Sudhir Chaudhary.
No,
Rajesh Sharma.
Chaudhary is on GTV.
No,
Rajesh
I
Sharma.
am not talking about GTV. I am
No,
talking
no.
Yes,
about
sir.
E24. Sudhir Chaudhary.
Yes. E24.
E24.
Okay.
Sudhir Chaudhary.
So yeah, I have one
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
Do we have any count? Where the reporters had been killed? Reporters had been killed. Do we have any count? For example, if it is the NDTV or the Aaj Tak, so do we have any count?
So I don't have.
Suppose what I feel, no. So what I feel that is, suppose I am a reporter and if I have been killed, so it means that I was telling a truth that I'm considering. So suppose in my that I'm keeping that point and I'm saying that suppose the someone has been killed, it means that he was talking something. He was
Means
against
you
that.
are correct
That is the
about
reason
Ravish
behind
Kumar because many people are just abusing him. So I think that is correct.
Yeah.
If many people are
And
just
see, many people is abusing Arnav Goswami also. He's also correct.
yes, yes, he is
Yes.
also
I-
correct.
I-
No,
because I-
Republic TV is doing very good work in case of
No,
Sushant
no.
Rajput, but not other cases. In that particular
See,
case,
that
See
is
the
not
follower.
correct.
See the
The
people.
most
I think
abuser
see
are
the,
the
for the India, he's already focusing on one people. You know, he's
Pradeep
No,
bhai,
sir.
about
I'm
India.
You
not
can say that they are
agree with you now.
focusing on no, sir. You can say that they are focusing on one people or one particular case, but you
Yes,
cannot
yes,
say that they
Suman
are not
bhai,
working
Yeah.
for India.
in India,
India.
there
But
are
you
many
cannot say that they are not
many
working
murder
for
cases is
India.
going on. In
If
India, many cases of murder is going on. Also, suicide cases is going on. How many cases you are going
Yeah.
to focus? 8 June, Disha Salian, I think. Someone has committed suicide.
This are
You have raised any
Yeah.
voice against them? No. You can't take example of Jia Khan. There are many
Because
TV actors.
because
they commit
that time,
suicide. How many you are following? How many you are following?
no, sir.
Nothing.
if
Look,
that
sir,
is no, I know if that is happened in BJP state government, definitely many people will raise the question. But it happened in
Yes.
Congress ruled government. So you know
Yes.
what happened in Uttar Pradesh? Aklak case. He got 50 lakhs from government, 1 crore. But what happened other in West Bengal? See, daily people are dying because of the violence.
No,
So where
it's
is
a matter
that
of
news?
government. It's not matter of media. Okay, this matter of governments. Okay, someone is supporting that minority, someone is supporting other. So this is matter of government. How government is going to react on this is totally depend. And also, you know, when you are talking about
Correct.
Kangana Ranaut, many people are supporting Kangana Ranaut. That is really good. But when you think someone is saying कि Maharashtra is just like POK, and someone is just, you know, going to demolish your building, then you are saying this is not okay. And someone is supporting, please eat the beef, and now you are talking about she is very good. How it is possible? You can see the tweet in 2019. She has just tweeted, I love to eat beef. Then how you can means be biased so like this? You are just shifting within 1 year. Now
Yeah.
today, Karni Sena is
No.
just supporting, and
Nothing is
1 year
permanent.
before, they are just opposing. So this is only
Yeah,
matter of
nothing is
nothing
permanent.
else.
Yeah. See, nothing is permanent. We cannot put the percent that you should be like this for a entire year until your death. It is not like that. Anyone can change their mind. Even I can support NDTV tomorrow. Then will you
Yes,
scold
yes.
me?
Even you know the
Look, sir.
political leader, you know,
Based
they will
on-
change.
based-
See,
Based on our knowledge or based on our experience, even our opinions also change according to that. When we get some knowledge or any data,
Devi
we will
bhai,
understood
just
our day-to-day life.
one thing,
Yeah.
if you want to really want to know real condition of India, watch NDTV. And if you want to get entertainment, watch Aaj Tak, AVP, any
Yeah.
channel you can follow, and especially debate. Must, you know, means they are ready to fight to each other.
No, I want that kind of news only. I like that.
Okay. Sometimes
Yeah.
also I like
Look,
that.
look, and now I just have to say that
will
if you
give you-
really want to know the real picture of India, follow any one of follow any of the channel that you want to like, but must also follow the government reports, the independent reports, and
Yes. Yeah.
what
Bhai, you are right.
that
You are right. Because when we were talking about Sudhir Chaudhary, Ravish Kumar, always they present what have written in the government side, you can check it. Always they mention, please
No, no.
go and check it. But how many people is going to check
See.
it? No people. If you're talking in unemployment, how many times you have just watch the website and check it? No. If Modi is saying,
Sir, it's no, I'm not.
See, but actually there is also one point. Suppose now, for example, now I am supporting a BJP, right? And what happened after the few years, I will support the Congress. So you know, here thinking is going to change it. Here we can't do anything. Now you are saying that Ravish Kumar, okay, now he is in he is the reporter of the NDTV. But what else? If you move to that you join to that the Republican India or any
Or
the
opinion.
Yes,
XYZ.
this
Look,
can
what
be
has
in
changed.
that
look,
case, what you will say?
This can be
look,
changed.
sir, what has
That's
That's why I'm
happened.
taking example of Kangana
Why
Ranaut.
What
we need to be?
I'm saying that
We
what
don't
has
need to be
happened that
biased
in
for anyone. That's why.
what has happened that in this hour debate we now focusing on Ravish Kumar, and look what has happened, that if someone is giving the picture of employment or any other problems like
No,
like exam and bad picture of economy, that we are thinking that it's a whole picture of India, it's a whole real picture of
It
India.
is the whole
It's
picture of India. It is
also
the whole
also
Sir,
see,
picture
let
of
me
India.
it's not the whole picture of
Examination,
India.
employment
It's
and
not the
economy,
whole
it is the
picture
whole
of
picture
India.
of it.
No, sir, you
No,
cannot
no,
say that
no.
it's the whole picture
Yeah,
of
whole
India.
picture of India.
Why
Correct.
not?
So
why
let me say
okay,
that.
see,
Okay.
Let me
So
say
I
Are
that.
think
there the
I think this is going to be very long. So now
never
is the
ending,
time to
never
close
no, no,
ending?
yeah,
Yeah.
because
okay,
we have
let me tell you one thing, let me tell you one thing also. See, why see, as per the Indian constitution, okay, there is a supporting party as well as a opposition party.
Opposition party.
So why the opposition party? Why opposition party? So the ruling party should work in such a way that the to keep eye on how the ruling party is working. So that's why there is the opposition party. So it is the responsibility of the opposition party to check each and everything whether the ruling party is doing well for the society, well for India,
Amit,
welfare, or the all the goodness.
Amit
That
bhai,
is the role of the
Amit bhai,
opposition party.
just
Yeah.
I want to say last thing. Once in an interview, someone asked to Ravish Kumar, कि why always you oppose the government? You know what he said? He said कि every channel is just speaking in favor of government. There should be someone who can criticize the government कि they are not doing good in that field. That's why he used to speak, real fact of the India. Because
Sir,
if you're talking,
sir,
Yeah. So
just wait for a
Sir,
while.
sir,
No, 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 sir. Now
I
you
I
cannot
will
go
show
like
you
that
the
with this skill with this
yeah, yeah.
with this skill good face. Okay.
as a,
So now you have to ask. Now you have to say give the answer of my question, that when the JNU can't has happened, that same Ravish Kumar is saying that there is no evidence against him. There is no evidence against him. But when that when that Gujarat right has said,
Shekhar bhai, no one is
no, no, sir,
wrong.
let me complete that. Let me complete
He,
that.
he was wrong
When the
that time.
Gujarat right
He was wrong that
what?
time.
See, Pradeep bhai,
No,
listen,
when the Gujarat right has
listen.
happened, he abused Narendra Modi like anything, like anything.
Who was the CM of that time?
But wait, sir, wait a minute, sir. But whether there is any evidence goes against Narendra Modi in in any of the courts, now will you say that we are wrong?
Shekhar bhai, government of
Yeah.
power of government is very high. You can't do anything. No,
So no, sir. Now you
no,
cannot say that the power of government
when
is
you're
high, very
talking
high.
about
So in
Amit
genuine
Shah,
power
now
of the mob
he
is
is
very power
hosting
of the
in
mob is also
India.
very high.
No,
When
The
the
mob, the mob.
there is a killing
I
when there is a
think
killing of Akhlaq.
the mob, they were, I think they are not a part of the NDTV or anyone. I think they are
okay.
part
Look,
of
but the
actual
mob is not the part of the
party.
NDTV. But when you are saying that there is no evidence against the mob, then there is no evidence also against the chief minister.
That too,
When
yeah, correct.
when you have raised with so much hue and cry with about the Gujarat rights, why you are not
So, okay, just
why you
please
are not talked with
first
at least
me.
with at least with 50% in screen time about the Godhra Kand? Only the one news channel which covered the Godhra Kand is G News, and only the one
Don't talk about G News. I
only
know.
the wait
I
for a
have
minute,
listened whole.
and only the
I have listened whole hour.
one political leader that went in that station
Just
was the
clear
Narendra
me.
Modi, and all of the
Clear me firstly.
today's so-called
Okay,
communist media
I
houses
think this is
are the
time to stop. Okay, this is time to stop.
are
Just clear me.
just because of
You
the
have
Narendra
given
Modi.
so.
Bye, bolo.
Pradeep bhai, if you
I think
publish this
just clear
video, right,
me.
definitely some
Yes,
case
Clear
I
me.
put against your channel.
Clear me
Your
on that
channel
part
will
that
ban.
you are telling. NDTV they have given the proof that there were no any mob in GNU. If
Look,
this Ravish Kumar has told,
wait, sir. There was a mob. If they were not the students, then what was the
there
then was the
there
outside,
the
and
actual clip of
then
video
who came the
there
who what?
Okay, Shekhar bhai, Dhruv bhai, please
the
stop now
actual clip
because
of video.
I think you are going to
So
put
I think
violence.
with
Tomorrow we can discuss.
with his statement we also need some proof.
I am saying that yes, Ravish Kumar is good, but I'm saying that Ravish Kumar is good, but if you must analyze the way he put the story, then you will know the real side. Thanks from my side.
Okay, okay. So this is time to stop.
No, no, no. I'm not getting on which
Hey,
part Mr.
Shekhar
has
bhai,
put about
Shekhar
mob,
bhai,
about mob
Shekhar
that
bhai,
he has talked.
no, Shekhar bhai, Roop has
No,
gone
sir,
up little bit.
let Dhruv bhai ask the question. Ask Dhruv bhai,
Yeah.
please again.
About the mob, about the mob that you are telling, I think the only one thing, when the video clip gone viral,
Yeah.
you are talking about that mob or any other mob that you're talking about?
I'm talking about that mob, that in which the video clip has gone viral,
They beaten the
and
GNU
Mr.
students.
and yeah, hello.
They beaten the GNU
No,
students
sir. In
in that mob, and they are releasing on.
In the JNU case where the slogan has were raised.
Where is the proof? Where is the proof for that?
I think
So
our
I am
topic
saying that
was
there is
totally
no proof. There
diverted.
is no proof. So
Yeah.
you are saying that. So
Our
I am
topic
saying
is
that
totally
you said that
diverted. Please
no.
stop. Please stop, because this is
So
not
that
going to end.
so
This is not going to be end.
so it's
That's why.
so at last I just want to say that if the same thing is happening in our media houses, the topic is something people are fighting on different things, and we are enjoying.
Like
Some
how we
people are
did
enjoying.
today.
So
You can
from
see
my
the example.
side,
Yeah.
from my
You can
side,
see the example.
whenever they
Yeah.
are with the discussion about media, there is only one media person and one anchor. He's Ravish Kumar, and no one is out
Okay,
there.
No,
and
bhai,
from
no.
my side, they are
No.
putting the picture in hanky
Picture, correct.
in
Okay,
hanky dory
okay.
and
Okay,
and
okay.
analyzing the situation in
Okay.
such a way that he can please only one political party and one political
Yeah.
and one particular
BJP,
community
Narendra
on
Modi.
one particular
Yeah.
community.
Okay,
Thank you.
Dhruv bhai,
BJP
Shekhar
and
bhai,
Narendra
thank you.
Modi. Right,
Thank
you are
you.
right.
I
I'm
know
agree
what
with
I
you.
said.
So ultimate, there should be some balance, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
if
Correct.
ruling, so there should be opposition also, right? So balance will be a never miss the move here and there. So
But the
that is
media
the ultimate.
but the media house is not made for position and support. They are made for showing the correct picture, which they are not doing.
Yes, that is right. Okay.
Yes,
So
correct.
thank you.
Yeah.
And all of the media house, it doesn't matter which
Yes.
which of the
Yes.
media house is that.
All are included in that. Okay, all are included,
Yes.
including Ramesh Kumar
Now
also.
my
Even I'm
voice will
agree.
stop.
So thank you, Devi bhai,
It was
Shekhar bhai,
a nice move.
Guru bhai, Amit bhai, and Om bhai. Thank you for joining this. Okay, thank you. And
Thank
tomorrow.
you. Good night.
Thank you. Yeah, bye, good night.
Here and
Yeah,
some
bye.
also.
Good night. Bye.
So thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bye.
good night.
Good night.